Let's have a look at interior accents in the 3D tiny house designer. Interior accents work very similarly to exterior accents, and they're best used to give an object or surface a specific color if you want to break up a large surface. So for example, one great use case is if you want to change the floor in the bathroom, for example. What you would do, you would grab an interior accent and you would pop it down somewhere on the floor like that. And then you would give it the size of the bathroom, so it covers the entire floor area. So you can place it anywhere, so you want to be quite careful with your placement, of course, and we'll want to make sure that there is no space in between here. There we go, perfect. And now let's make it, we need another 4'8" on this side here. So let's make it, that's what, 8 feet altogether? Yeah, there we go. And I think that is 7'10". Yeah, there we go. So we did that, and now what we can do, we can change the material of that specific accent and give it a, what should we do? Maybe a tile. So we'll just look into my tiles. Maybe we'll do a finger tile. There we go. That could look quite nice. Otherwise, we can do some hexagon tiles or whatever other materials that you might want. Actually, that's quite nice. We'll just keep it at that. Otherwise, if you want to make sure that it actually starts at the right spot, so just under the middle of the door jamb, you can make it a little bit bigger. So we'll just make it 8'2" like that, and now the second you enter the second you enter into the bathroom, you can have that tile over here. Another great use case for an interior accent is that you can use them as splashbacks. So for example, if I want to place a splashback just behind this kitchen here, and it starts over here, for example, we can make this a little bit bigger this way. So let's just see how much space we have. We can use the dimension, the measurement or tape measure tool here. So we need to add another 6 foot here. So this will be 9'4" like that. And we'll make it a little bit taller. So I think maybe around 4 feet, maybe 3'10". There we go. And now we've got the right size for my splashback. Of course, we've got timber flooring here at the moment, so that doesn't make any sense. But let's have a look at some tiles again, maybe some finger tiles in this case. Yeah, that actually looks quite nice. Otherwise, we might even be able to do a rendered surface. So maybe a grayish grout, that looks quite nice as well. There we go. So that's how you would use interior accents. Otherwise, if you are changing the entire floor area, so let's say if you're changing the interior material of the loft here, you would click on the materials and override the entire material of this floor to, let's say, a carpet, rather than placing a material accent on there, because that will be much quicker.